Hey everyone, I am Suman Guleria from Abhimanyu Career Point. Today I am here with the introductory lecture on the biology. So first of all, you all know that biology basically deals with the study of living organisms, that may be any kind of microorganism, fungi, protista, plant, animals, anything else which is present in our surrounding. So it means we basically in bio we study about the plant's physiology, animal physiology, about the structural components of the biology. So first of all, I try to introduce the term biology. Biology is the natural science that studies life and the living organism. नेचुरल साइंसेस का ही एक पार्ट है जिसमें हम लाइफ और लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं. जब हम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे, इट मीन्स वी बेसिकली फोकस ऑन द फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म, देयर केमिकल प्रोसेसेस, मॉलिक्यूलर इंटरेक्शंस, फिजियोलॉजिकल मैकेनिज्म, as well as how these organisms developed and what are the major mode of the evolution. Now about the history of the biology. The first time the biology word was used by the Greek philosopher name was the Aristotle. He first time used the word biology, so that's the reason the father of biology is Aristotle. Now, if we talk about the basic roots of biology, so biology is basically of two types. First is the botany and second is the zoology. If we talk about the botany, botany basically deals with the study of the plants. If we talk about the zoology basically deals with the study of animals. बच्चे, जब आपका लाइफ फॉर्म डिस्कवरी होना शुरू हुआ ड्यूरिंग द इरा ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट फेजेस, ऑर्गेनिज्म को 3 वे में क्लासीफाई किया गया. फर्स्ट वर द बैक्टीरियाज जो आपके यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म थे. सेकेंड वॉज द आर्के बैक्टीरियाज आर द ऑर्गेनिजम्स विच बेसिकली सर्वाइव इन एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर रेंजेस, आइदर इन द हायर सॉल्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एंड ऑल. If we talk about the eukaryotes, so in the eukaryotes we include the protisteans, fungi, plantae and animalia and all. Now if we try to classify the organisms on the classification hierarchy, so the number of similarities present in between the species. It means species include all the organisms which have the ability to interbreed with each other. जब species आपकी सारी collect हो जाएंगी, they basically form the genus about which we study in the chapter that was on the biological classification. So in reality you have the idea about the lowest unit of classification is the species and the highest unit of the organism arrangement is the kingdom. Now there are the number of branches of biology which included like cell biology, in which we basically study about the cellular structure. Of course, the lower classes you study about the cell theories, different type of cell organelles present in the organism. Next is the cryobiology. In the cryobiology we basically study about the effect of the lower temperature on the living beings. Next is the evolutionary biology. In the evolutionary biology we basically study about the origin of the species over time. Next is the genetics. In the genetics we basically study about the genes and heredity. It means how the parental characters are transmitted from the one generation to another generation. Next is the immunology, in which we basically study about the immune system. Next is microbiology, in which we basically study about the microscopic structures of organism. Then bacteriology, in which we study about the structures of bacteria. In mycology we study about the structure of fungi. Now, if we talk about the plus one and plus two syllabus of the biology, that include a very interesting facts about the biology. Like the first unit of the plus one biology is diversity in the living organism, in which we basically study about the biological classification, including the number of five kingdoms which are given by the Whittaker, like plant kingdom, animal kingdom, Protistian, Monarians, fungi, and all. Then we start to study. Then the second unit include about the structural organization in the plants and animals, in which we basically study about the morphology and the anatomy of the flowering plants. And then we start to move toward the structural organization in the animals. Next is the third unit of biology, that is the cell structure and function. First chapter is cellular cell, the basic unit of life. Second is the biomolecules, and third about how the cell division occur. Then the next unit, which is mentioned in your syllabus, that is the plant physiology, in which we basically study about the transportation in the plants, about the mineral nutrition, photosynthesis in the higher plants, respiration in the plants, and plant growth and development. The last unit of the plus one biology is human physiology, in which we basically discuss about the digestion and absorption, breathing and exchange of gases, body fluid and circulation, excretory products and their elimination, how we locomote, and how our body movements occur. Then we complement this chapter with the neural control and coordination, and lastly with the hormonal system. If we talk about the plus two biology syllabus, that basically includes the mode of reproduction, either the sexual mode of reproduction in the flowering plants, about the human reproduction, about the reproductive health. And a very interesting unit in the plus 2 biology is unit number 7, which includes the genetics and evolution, on which there is a major focus on the discoveries and number central dogma processes which involved in the phenomena of inheritance. Then the next unit about the biology in human welfare, in which we study about the human health and diseases, number of technologies which are used for the food enhancement, and the number of important microorganisms which are included in the human welfare. There is a new introduction about the new field of biology, that is biotechnology. That is the unit number 9 in the plus 2 syllabus, which is a very interesting unit. Last unit is all about the ecology, means how the living organism basically interact with their surroundings. So in the ecology we basically discuss about the organisms, populations, biodiversity conservation, environmental and issues, and what is the ecosystem about. So bache, it's all about the syllabus of the biology. So you know that biology is a very curious subject, and we have to show some kind of enthusiasm. There are the number of doing phenomena by which we can enrich our biology. So I hope you would enjoy each and every lectures of the biology. Thanks, have a nice day.